These cycling POV videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram page has hit 2.2 million followers and is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. And their videos have hit 24 and 8 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the Cycling POV Generator, and click the first link to launch it. In the GPT, click Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 1. Once it loads, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. That coastal cliff path, the sea mist rolling in. It honestly looks like someone was out there riding it. So just pick the one you like and click Image to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggles on. Set the output to between 5 and 10 seconds and 1080p, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.